How are you all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to see Mega Million, USA Mega Million, United States Mega Million. If it's the first time, remember to subscribe, to like and share. Remember to join the VIP group. Joining, you have to WhatsApp this phone number 067, right? Let me just write it correct. Remember to subscribe, first of all, and to turn on the notification bell. 067, plus 26 7 6 7 and the other 7 and the other 7 and the 29841. This is my phone number, guys. Plus 27 6 7 7 7 29 841. Yeah, so on today's video, we're going to check how the numbers came out last time so that we can use the same method to bring out the winning numbers on top of the fridge. So now it's time. Yeah, let's start. You can turn on the notification bell when you finish to subscribe to the channel and join my VIP group. Joining is and also I'm selling the book of USA Mega Million, United States Mega Million. I wrote the book which is concerning this draw, and also that book is not too expensive to buy it if you are in the USA, to be like your pocket money. So let's go and start making money. All right. The first method that I noticed is the bonus plus the bonus, which gave 26. Then 26 was used here also as 29. Then today we're going to use this one because now they changed the slide into using the after the row bonuses. So today we're gonna use this to 18 because 26 again came back to play as a 29, even as a 62. So now we're going to use 18 and 28. Alright, so bonus plus bonus. The first method we're having 18 and 28. So it's a bonus plus a bonus. The second method I saw with when you add this number or do minus. This one, for example, gave 26, which came as 29, but this one gave us 67. Then 67 came in the front to play 57, meaning that that number doing a minus 10 and a minus 20, that is exactly what we're going to do. Alright, so when we do use here, we're not going to add, we will do minus. 57 minus 26 is equal to 31. You see, this 31, since it's a very small, we're gonna say, okay, let's add a 10, it's gonna be 41, which already played. We're gonna come in the front and play 21 and 11 because last time they did minus 10 and minus 20. Today we can do minus 10 also and minus 20, because if you add 10 there is a 41 which already draw, and if you add 20 we're gonna have a 51 which is sitting in this draw again, unless we say let's play 15. So maybe try these three numbers, right? So there is another issue, because if you say minus here, it gave 26, which came as 29, right? So if we say here we have a 31, then it can come as 13 instead of doing plus or minus, since 21 already came. It's cold. Yeah, go through it. But it's nice. You're gonna get sick. Go. So now if we do plus or minus here, if we do minus, we're getting a 57. If we do plus, we're getting a 67 here, right? So you can see in the 57 and 67 are in numerical order. So we will consider 67 as it is, then we move to 37 since other numbers came, right? So family of 7. 60. So then I'm considering to use this 31 as 31 and the 13 as it is, since our 26 came as 29, then this number which is sitting here is not a spinnable number, then we can use a family of 7, because if we do plus 8 67, if we do minus is 57, meaning that 67 57. Now if we consider to do minus 10, there is a 47, 57 is already there, then we can check if we can use 37. Yeah, then we can use just 13 and 31 as it is, then use 87 because 21 and the 12 already dropped. All right, and the 51 already dropped, then you can use 37. Let's write down 13, 31 and 37. All right, so that is like the hottest one. Now the next one, we said that you should take the first two numbers and skip the row to play that two numbers. 29 came, right? 29 after some two draws, it's sitting here as a skip and also sitting here. Now here, when you add, we're gonna have 99. Okay, 90, 99. So 99 is just a 9 and 18. So 9 is sitting here, all right? 9 and 18. Now here we have a 5 plus 13. These are the numbers which were not used yet, because if we say 9, 9 already used, and 18 is the next number to write down. Write down 18. All right, then because this one gave us 67, 67 also played the front word as a 47 and the 57. Now we're going to use that 67 as it is as well. Write down 67. All right, so let's go, because remember the reason we're using 67 as well is because if you check here we have a 99. If we check here down we have a 29. So 99 is 9 which came, and the 29 came as this here. So they use the two draws numbers. Now we have 18 and the 67. Since 47, 60, 57 are drawn in a consecutive order, then we have also to use the two draws. All right. So that's how 67 is appearing, and the two times. So now let's move. That was the best deal. This one gonna give us 85. That's the last two number. 85. 115. I'm just checking something. 90. 114. All right, so they are using 85. They use the 5 as a 50. 115, 5 came back, and 114. 14 is sitting here as well, because if you add this number also we have a 14. All right, I was just writing something down. Then we spoke about going to the USA Powerball. USA Powerball. USA Powerball. We spoke about that. We should check the numbers. Okay. Well, if you watched the video of previous, we spoke about the number which comes twice or the hottest number, right? On the bonus ball, we have a 21 and the 4. This one are the numbers which are repeating. It's a 4, right? This is a 4, 4 or 40 and 44. So these are the number which we only choose one of them, right? Between the 4 and 40 and the 44, only one number. I'm going to just note it down. As we go, we will know which one to select, all right? Because these are the hot number, because they are they mean only one. They are the one. They are like, they spin it to each other, all right? So let's go. Last time we spoke about that you use the number which came on main and the bonus, or the number which you repeat. That's how we say the 6 or 9. Do you see that? And the 9 it came, right? So now we're going to use this draw. The number which you repeat is, it's a similarity here. Now, family of 7 is also hot. You can see that there is a family of 7. 17, 27, 47, 67. At least 47, repeat it again. Now we can say 17, 27, 67. Now look at 67. You found it in our mat. So we can also use that 67 on top. Write down 67 because it was appeared also when we were busy calculating. Then to this 27 and 17. So between the 17 and 27 and 67, only one number. So we are suspecting 67, since it's the number that we did get during the mathematics. So that is, yeah, 67. It's appearing in the math, guys. All right. Then if you check here, we have escape 26. Did you notice it? That 26 came already. We don't worry. So that is how also you can use the numbers on USA Powerball. You check the repeating numbers. If you didn't watch the previous video, you can watch it. That's where I explain it very well. All right. So let's move to the code. You will add all the numbers. 26 plus 41 plus 50 plus 53 plus 62 plus 12. It's gonna be 244. 244. So the answer was 244. Then after checking that number, you add 75, because 70 is a total number. The main set is 5. Then you get 319. All right, so we have a 31, 19, and the 319. 31, 19, and the 39 and the 319 coming from the code. You can see 31, 19, 319. So that's how 9 came and the 16 together. This 16, which is the meaning, also 9, 19, and can it be 6, 16 as a spinning. That's how. Then 244, all right, plus 17, 244 times 75. Again, 244 you can also multiply by 75 and check if you get the numbers. But sometimes it works from Tuesday to Tuesday, Friday to Friday. Then they're gonna use this code Friday to Friday and Tuesday to Tuesday. For example, on Friday, let's check. For example, this draw was on Friday. And then let's check the Friday code. Let's first do the first method, guys, because we finished to say that when you add all these numbers, then you add 75. Let's do it. 14 plus 29 plus 47 and 57 and 16 is 163. Then plus 75 is 238. Then we have a 23, 38, 23, 38, even a 28. Then what when we finish, we're gonna say 2, 3, 8. Yeah, that is like you have to write them down. 23, 38, even a 28. Then 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8. Yeah, okay. This is it. And also 3 is recommendable since we have a 9 and a 16. 3 is a recommendable number. Let's move. Alright. We have again when you check Friday to Friday code, let's check if the method worked. You will take all the numbers 5 plus 13 plus 63 plus 52 plus 6 is equal to 139. 139, you say I'm gonna multiply by 75. Is the answer is 10, 4 to 5. We must check here only, except 5. 24 plus 5 is 29. 42 plus 5 is 47. 5 and 2 is 9 there. 52 plus all these numbers is 57. All right, so if you break the code with a deep perfection, you can win something. So from here we can say 244 times 75. 244 is the additional number times 75. The answer is 18300. 18300. Then what you do, you're gonna say the last big number is 30 most. Let's say we have 18 and 30 and 38. Then the last three number is 30. Then 30 plus all these numbers 39. And the 30 minus all these number is 21. And 30 plus 8 is 38. 30 plus 1 is 31. And the 30, yeah, like that. If you do minus is 22 and 29, which already used. Then you will say 3 plus 8 is 11. And 3 plus 1 is 4. And 8 plus 1 is 9. Yeah, like that. These are the numbers that are coming out of the code if you break it into the small pieces. So I'm gonna just put the number down like this. It's 18. That is the code that you used today, Friday to Friday. 18, 38, and 30, right? Then when you finish, you're gonna say 183 because now you can see 8 and 3 are hot, or 38. Now you come again, you say 38 plus or minus 8, and also it's 22, 31, and 38 again, 39, 21, What else today? 11. All right, and the 4. 4 also as a fourth, because in the make we have a 10 and a 30 there. So 4 or 40 as well. So checking the code, we have 2, 3 and 8 and 38, like hot ones in the code. 3, 8, 38. 38 in the divide is 19 though. So 3, 8, 19 and 38 are good ones. So guys, this is the easiest code that you can get. And I don't think this one, 14 plus 29 plus 47 plus 57 plus 16 times 75. So this code for Tuesday, next time Tuesday we have it two. The code is like this. So the hot number is obvious, is 22022. Yeah, so 22022 is the code for Tuesday. If you wanna try today, you can try bonus 20 and the 2 and the 22. Yeah, so that is what I prepared for you, but this is 22. Play it today as well. So that's what I have for today. So let's check what we got here. We have 18, 18, 28, 13, 31, 37, 18, 67. Then the second strategy gave us 4, 40, 44. This one you only choose one number. The third strategy gave us family of 7, which is 17, 27 and 67. Choose only one number. The 67 is the commanded number. Then we have the other strategy gave us 67. The other strategy gave us 23, 38, 28, 238. And the last strategy gave us 18, 38, 13, 183. 22, 31, 38, 39, 21, 11, 4, 40. So you can see the common number among them, it's 18, 3, 8, and 38, even 30. Then on the family of 7, we have a 67. And because we are seeing 17, 27, and 67. All right. The common number is 67. Then the common number again is there on top is that's one. And here 4, 40, 44, only one number. Since we have a 5 plus 9, which is 14, so then we looking forward to saying 5 minus 9, which is 4, so we can try 4, 40. All right, look at here. You see what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Yeah, so it's 14, 14 and 41 and 44 and 40 move together. So the number which was there, it was 4 and 44, right? So meaning 4 or 40 is a recommended number. Yeah, among these. So guys, I will see you once again. Bye bye.